Hey, why'd the downlight refuse to gossip? Didn't want to throw shade. Hey everyone, I'm Holden. Welcome back to SeaTac Studios. Today I've got not one, but two awesome halo fixtures from Cooper Lighting Solutions that are going to make your lighting projects easier, sleeker, and just plain better. Say hello to the Flex Canless LED Downlight and the SMX Edgeless Surface Mount Downlight. Two fixtures that prove high performance lighting doesn't have to be complicated. First up, the Flex Canless LED Downlight, a budget-friendly, high-quality option for commercial, multifamily, and residential projects. It comes in a variety of sizes, including 1, 2, 3, and 4-inch, plus 3 and 4-inch wall washers. And the customization doesn't stop there. You've got interchangeable round or square trims in smooth or baffle finishes, along with optional mud frames for a seamless look. The best part? Installation is a breeze. This fixture mounts directly to the ceiling, no housing required, and big news, coming soon you'll be able to use this with canless mounting frames for new construction projects. Performance-wise, this fixture ships with 40-degree optics, but can be swapped for 25 or 55-degree TIR optics, plus a 25-degree asymmetrical option for wall washing. It's color flexible from 2700 to 5000K with an optional dim to warm mode that smoothly shifts from 3000 or 2700K all the way down to 1800K for that cozy candlelit glow, all at 90 CRI. The selectable lumen outputs give you that right brightness for any space. On top of that, the Flex is airtight, wet location listed, IC rated, and Energy Star certified. Next, let's talk about a fixture that takes surface downlight to the next level, the SMX Edgeless Surface Mount LED Downlight. This fixture is all about sleek, seamless lighting. With a fully luminous edge-to-edge lens, it delivers beautiful, even illumination with a modern, edgeless design that practically disappears into the ceiling. It's a perfect fit for multifamily housing and light office spaces. The SMX is available in both 14 and 18-inch round or square profiles and installs easily into standard junction boxes and recessed housing. It features a 6-position switch that lets you choose from 5 color temperatures ranging from 27 to 5K, plus a dim to warm option that shifts from 3000 down to 1800K. The selectable lumen outputs range from 1200 to 2000 lumens on the 14-inch model and from 15 to 2500 lumens on the 18-inch model. And of course, it's also airtight, wet location listed, IC rated, and Energy Star certified. If you're looking for a surface mount downlight that combines style, simplicity, and performance, the SMX series is the way to go. Want to see both these in action? Reach out to your local rep today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hey everybody, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video.